Ay go, ano gayon? Naloko na.
Sa sarili.
Bangat.
Dini, Ari. Ha? Sige, una kayo itong ako'y may mabibidyohan. Oh, tingin muna kayo sa akin. Mama, boss, Ari, Gray. Ari, hindi ka kita.
Ari, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go. 53 daw, 53. Careful ha, guys. Careful. Nasaan 53? Ayan ba? Boss, dyan daw tayo?
Ano sabi 53?
Sabi 53 daw. Nasaan? Ah, 20 lang yung kita namin, boss. Pasensya.
Okay.
Oh, go.
Nasaan yung ating ano lang? Big shoes.
Ayan, na kay ano, na kay Mike.
Bye, buntag sa inyo.
Morning po. Morning.
Kasama natin kahapon.
Okay. How many minutes of winding?
How many minutes?
Yeah, how long the winding?
Winding 1 hour.
Excuse me.
Ayun, ayun.
It's cheap.
And how much you pay for the?
Kuya, bawal mo po ng ganyan. Ayos. Enjoy! Oh, stay with Lola. I will just keep it mat. Ito yung walang cover.
Come here.
Dito kay Lola.
Sa akin ka lang.
Kay Lolang walang vest. Kay Lolang walang vest. Baka mauna pa to sa'yo.
Dito lang tayo.
Hey! What's my goggles? Give me that.
Because you're keep dipping it. Kayong dalawa. Oh.
Don't go for Ari.
Oh, Ari, come.
Give me that.
Isusuot mo ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, wear it. You need to sanay with it because you need to use it later sa snorkeling.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, don't have.
You're dipping it too.
Oh, yeah. Ah,
Oh.
Are you Malay?
what's malay?
Give me that. Say Aya.
Malay. You heard in Singapore?
Abot ko kaya yun? Kasi kung tatalon kay 360 ko ba? No? But I don't have vest also. Okay lang bang dito lang ako, boss? Hanggang sabot ko lang? Okay, game!
Hey!
Kuya, stay with me. Oh, hold, Kuya Ari, hold my tie. You know the tie, the long one? Yes, hold it first muna because I cannot see you. I need to take video, Kuya. And Tito Mike. Hold ha. It's okay you go a bit far but you just hold it. Don't let go, okay? Boss, ikaw muna tumalon. Ari ha, keep on. Boss, ikaw muna. Ari, don't let go ha.
What got colder?
Yeah, here is colder.
The coldness.
Boss, ikaw muna bago si ano. Kuya, if you hold ah. I'm videoing ano, Kuya and Tito Mike.
Yung life jacket mo matanggal ha. Uy, sige pa mo life jacket mo.
Okay.
Nagagawa mo sa buhay mo.
It's video lang ha. Boss, jump properly. Jump properly.
Malalim na nga eh.
Game.
There, go!
Itong aming cheerer. Nandun eh.
Kuya, don't go!
Where are you? Oh, you let go of me. Hold. Oh my God. Hold lang ha. I'm not looking, Ari. Game.
Sasalbak sa mukha mo to pag hindi mo inawakan to ha. Gagawin sa bibig mo. Kasi sugatan ka.
Game.
Go!
So you must just jump, Tito Mike.
Just jump! You have a life vest! What did Kuya say?
I don't know. I cannot hear it properly.
Hindi kailangan ng zoom. Kailangan ng zoom.
Ari, wait. Dadala ako. Yan na. Naka-jump na. You're not looking.
Wow!
Oh, si Kuya naman. Si Kuya. Look there. Look there. Don't let go. May tali. Go, Kuya.
Yes!
Ooh. Did you see that?
He spinned.
Yeah.
Akin naman yung chinelas mo.
Perfect.
Dali. O, sakit ka ulit. Bilisan mo.
Dinala mo kayo ating teacher ya.
Nasa bangka.
Nasa bangka.
Ano, one pa? Yan o, jump na ulit. You can see them na.
Go! And again.
Ari, stay with me, ha?
Three, two, one.
Woo! Okay. Yun, yung kahoy. No, it's mababaw. Mama, baka malunod ka.
Tawa ka na naman.
Boss, baka magkamali ka ha. Masawsaw yung camera mo. Malalim na. Okay, let's take photo na. Yeah, if it's getting old na yun na so many, Ari! Wow, that's so nice. Yun, the big one, Ari. The yellow one.
Already, that's all. It has salt water in it. That one is clean pa because it was in the plastic kanina pa.
Si Gray.
Ari! Ay, kuya! Teka, boss, hawakan mo nga si Gray. Si Ari. Ay, sorry. Bipidyon ko lang na konti si...
It's raining. Gray!
Kuya, busog na sila.
10 minutes.
Come here na. Oh, wait lang. Si kuya muna. Yeah.
Sakit ang mga plank boots.
Yeah.
Baka yun yung mga kumagat kay Ari.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like me.
Sabihin ko 10 minutes.
Ayan o. Oh my.
Already saw them.
Hindi, kasi sila ngayon, sa schedule ngayon eh. Yung wallet niya maliliit eh. Para schedule kasi.
Kailan na malutong ka na makadali na. Sinoda drill.
Mamaya may mas malalakat na dyan.
Sayang underwater sana, no?
Hala. Boss, wait. Naglabasan yung malalaki yung. Ilulublob ko to. Ano lahat? Oh.
Kalma na eh, kalma na.
Yeah.
Baka nasa malayo siya na kanina.
Ayan o. Ang ganda.
Saan na?
Go back to
Ayun o. Ang dadami na.
At nangyayari.
Bulok na. Yahan mo siya para di sa ano. Ah. Si Daddy, pumasok na. Nasaan yung ano natin?
Kuya, give me the cup.
Let's build castle.
Hey, let's make a castle. Tita Mike. Make a castle.
Oh, let's build a castle.
No, let's build.
Why? Ano gat hindi mo gamahawakan? Kuya, how's your kasi?
Gawa namin to ni Lola.
Yeah. How about you two?
Just building it. Starting
Yeah, starting only. And I think after 30 minutes we will go na.
don't worry, we can finish it in 5 15.
Okay, faster.
You built
The
here.
next island, baka uuwi na.
Parang uuwi na kuya. Don't worry, there's a next time pa naman. We will still, go to the beach. Maybe sa Laia or or sa Lubo. Let's see, okay? Kuya, dito ka oh. Help ka na lang sa kanila. Para your next goal. Before we leave.
Tayo nilang inaantay. Tayo.
Nandun na ba yung kana?
Mag-asawa.
Saka yung mag-asawa wala pa. Kuya, dito ka oh. Help ka lang dito. Hindi naman pa inaalis. Don't worry. Careful lang. Careful. Ito, sumay ka na kay kuya ng ointment. Bago umalis.
Ano ba yun?
O you want...
Miguel is really crying. It's really painful.
Yeah, Ari, did you see? Yan o, kuya, Tito Mike's got bitten up, jellyfish.
Remember when you
What? Remember when you...
and you called out the,
Yeah.
starfish? Sana I was there.
Sana you were there. The people are there. Let's go.
Is it, ma? Even the canoe one? Oh, sige lang. Kapag sigawan nyo na lang kami pag talagang alis na. Oh, I'll just... Wait ha. Faster. Tayo na lang inaantay. We need to go na. Oh, careful, careful. It will break everything. Ah. Okay. Tap, tap. Yan. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah, it's okay. Don't worry. Ah. Hmm. Oh, go, go. Faster. Atay na lang yata. Ari, because you need, a bit wet. You need, yan. I think you need that. A bit wet. Nandun na din, boss, yung Okay. Wait, gusto niya pa kasi lagyan ng isa pa. Tama na, it's too much. I think it's too much. Okay, but you try it. Yan. Okay. Okay, remove. Yan. Okay, there. Picture muna, Tinang. Ah. Come here. Okay. Kuya, how about you? Ah. Oh, video. Video nga.
Salitin tayo ah.
Continue lang sa kay Ari. Ika. Okay.
Uy, natabakan mo! Ari!
Hindi, ito pa lang tayo.
Right.
No.
Ha?
This one. Oh no, that one, you really step on it.
Oh, Gray, you write your name here. Gray, you write your name. Here. Or on top. You write on top. Later, it's gonna be a race of water. Sige lang, you step on it lang. Yeah.
My foot are some of the planktons too. There were planktons here kanina. But I cannot,
Wait lang, wala pa siyang Y. Okay, si Ari naman. Oh, you write after Kuya's name. Gray, you're ano? It's okay. Go. Take your take your best and Ay, sorry. Okay. So this is Gray.
But we're gonna have to keep this.
Why?
Okay, remembrance. Ari.
I found it in the trash.
Ay! Sorry. Basta ka nga, hindi ko makita. Let's wash now.
Tara na, it's raining na naman. Okay na to? Okay na, boss? Okay na? Yaman na. Oh. Kuya, din na, take picture.